Our science lesson for today is rocks change, water, and wind. Changes are taking place every day on the earth. Rocks and soil are carried from one place to another by running water. Rocks are banged together and changed from big rocks to little ones. Ocean waves beat against huge rock cliffs. Little by little, the high banks beside the ocean break away. The rocks fall into the ocean and are worn smooth by the waves. In this lesson, you will learn how rocks are changed by wind and water. Water. Moving water is a powerful force. It can change the surface of the earth. Rivers, streams, waterfalls, and waves are examples of moving water. Rivers and streams can carry away small pieces of rock. They can also smooth the edges of sharp rocks. Water acts like sandpaper. It rubs against rock and makes it smooth. Have you ever picked up a pebble on the beach? What did the pebble feel like? It was probably smooth and round. The force of the moving water smoothed the edges of the pebble. Strong ocean waves can also change rocks. Waves are very strong. They can crack and break rocks into tiny pieces. The cliffs along many oceans are slowly being worn away by waves. Many landforms on Earth were formed by moving water. The Grand Canyon was formed over millions of years by running water. Wind. Another force that changes rocks is wind. Wind can carry tiny pieces of rock and dirt for thousands of miles. If you have ever been at the beach on a windy day, you know how much sand can be carried by the wind. When wind blows against rocks, tiny pieces of dirt and sand scrape against the surface. The dirt and sand act like sandpaper. They wear away the rock. Over time, the rock can be carved into special shapes. In northern Arizona lies one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is a massive canyon of red rock. At the bottom of the canyon runs the Colorado River. The Grand Canyon is over 277 miles long and over 1 mile deep. It's up to 18 miles wide and getting wider. Right here we have the sandstone rocks in Monument Valley, Arizona. They're an example of what wind can do to mountains. The wind blows sand against the mountains, which wears away the bare sandstone rocks and carves beautiful shapes. Some of the most beautiful parks in our country have interesting stone shapes carved by the wind for you to see. The picturesque landscape of Monument Valley has been the setting to many Hollywood movies. The Grand Canyon was formed by wind, lava, or water. Question 2. Water makes big rocks smaller, bigger, or neither. Question 3. Wind can rub water or sand across the surface of rocks. Question 4. Changes to rocks by wind and water happen very quickly, over time, or in a few days. And question number 5. You are to revise the statement to make it true. Running water makes rock edges very sharp and pointy.